In this video, we will demonstrate how to add health as a label to our enemy. We'll open Space Shooter template. Let's duplicate our background object by selecting and clicking D on our keyboard. Rename to Label. Double-click to go into No Edit mode. Remove 3D model. Add a label node. Go back to our 3D world. Now let's go edit enemies nodes. Let's add a spawn node. Connect spawn node to start node. And let's select an asset that we will spawn. Select label. Click save. Now we will need to edit spawn nodes script. Let's add an int variable to store our spawn entity. Add a label variable to store our label component. And add a pre-health to store our previous health so that we could use it to update label only if health is changed. Remove let from the line where variable ent is being assigned to our new created object so that we could have access to it in our update function. Now let's add logic of updating our label to update function. If variable ent is set, let's start our logic. If label is undefined, get component with the name label and set it to label variable. If label is defined, get health value from entity, which is provided by health node. Then check if health doesn't equal pre-health. If they don't, store health to previous health. Now, if health is less than 1, let's remove our entity and set ent variable to undefined. If health is greater than 0, set text of our label to health. I missed an underscore in pre-health. Let's test it. Works good for a while, and then we get enemies without labels. And if a bullet collides with it, we get an error. It took some time to figure out what was causing that. At the end, all you have to do is make sure that world settings for delete scene threshold is slightly greater than next scene threshold. So we'll change next scene threshold to 2000 and delete scene threshold to 2200. Let's check now if that fixed it. Looks good now. Now the labels are appearing for all the enemies. What you can notice now, our label gets removed one shot before the enemy gets removed. To fix this, let's go to our enemy's health script, and where a check is made to see if enemy is defeated, change it to check if it's less than 1. Because if you check if it's less than 0, you will be getting 1 hit point more than what you set in health. Let's test it. Now it's fixed. For bonus, let's increase our fire rate and amount of damage each bullet does. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.